Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin. Today I have my AIA or American Influencers Beauty Bundle. Now this is a beauty subscription that costs $38 a month. I am newer to this subscription. You're not allowed to choose or customize anything in the subscription. They all pick it out for you. And normally you get like a bunch of different stuff from the same brand in each box. But let's see what's in this month's box of AIA bundle. If you like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start opening the box, and we get a card with the list of products and prices on the back with a little bit of information about each item. So this is Perlice. I definitely had to have this box. I actually skipped last month was nude sticks, and I wasn't really a fan of the items that they had inside of the box. So I just went ahead and skipped it and turned it back on for this month because I am a fan of the Perlice skincare brand. Let's go ahead and start with these little hand sanitizers that are in there. There's 3 of them. It says they're valued at $8 a piece. It says it's a multitasking hand sanitizer that kills 99.9% of germs while soothing your skin. Okay, and this one is green tea ginger. And then we have papaya turmeric and a watermelon lemon. So those sound really good. I like those kinds of scents, so I'm excited to try these out. Honestly, I probably won't keep all 3 of them. I'll probably gift one of them to someone because I don't really feel like I need 3 anymore. After the pandemic, a lot of the hand sanitizers went to discount, if not free. So we have stockpiles of hand sanitizer in this house. Moving on to this next item, I'm actually really excited to try this. This is a Perlice coconut oil and turmeric silky body butter. I've tried one of their body butters before and I absolutely loved it. I felt like it made my skin so soft. It has turmeric that helps reduce inflammation, and fruit extract also helps promote elasticity and clarity in the skin, supplements to your skin looking and feeling better. So I'm all about that. Let's open this one because I'm definitely going to be using this one for sure. Now, one thing I remembered about the other one that I have, the smell, it didn't smell bad, but it didn't smell good either. So let's see what this one smells like. Okay, I definitely smell the turmeric in there. It's yet again like not a bad nor good smell. Has like notes of citrus in there as well. Smells really good, feels amazing on the skin. So that body butter is valued at $24. Moving on, we have, this box is just jam-packed full of stuff. Okay, this next thing is a pineapple bright cleansing gel. It gently cleanses skin and even skin tones and hydrates. It's for all skin types, which I like stuff that's made for all skin types so that everybody can try and enjoy it. And pineapple, I love the smell of pineapple. So I'm really excited to try this out. I think I have a pineapple scrub from them, but I don't have the cleanser. So there's that one. And this cleanser is valued at $18, which is still not like ridiculous or unreasonable. And next we have a Pineapple Bright Gel Cream. This is a lightweight oil-free gel cream. It refreshes and moisturizes, and it's for oily combination, normal, or even dry. So anyone can use this. And this cream is valued at $24 for this. And our final product in here, oh my gosh, how many products was in here this time? Okay, let me see. 7 items in the box this time. Okay, last item is a matcha green tea lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. Gently detoxifies pores, clarifies, brightens, exfoliates, and purifies. And yet again, it looks like it's for all skin types. So that is awesome. This is valued at $35. So this is the most expensive thing in the whole box. But all around, I feel like this is a really good box. I like it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this box. If you want to see more of this on this channel, let me know in the comments below. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.